I got it from a runner.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Naudia Mariah, and you obviously read the title, seen the thumbnail, so you know this is gonna be a a tutorial on this eyeshadow look. So yeah, if you like what you see, you can shop this glitter, this cute pink glitter on my site, NaudiaMariah.com. And if you recreate this look, then you know, show me, like tag me in a post. I want to see what you working with. Like, comment, subscribe, and give me some suggestions of other colors I should use and other looks I should do in the comments down below. First, I'm gonna start off with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in 0. I'm gonna use this to blend it out. And you see me looking above the camera. I'm looking at a mirror. Honestly, I really don't be knowing what I be doing with this stain base. It's so like, a little goes such a long way. And you gotta blend it out right to get your eyeshadow looking right. You know. Start off simple. Let me do the other eye. Alright, so pink, of course, because that is my favorite. Pink. Take this orange and go on the outside of that, pat that in there. Next, I'm gonna go in with a lighter orange. Focus down on the outer parts. Ooh, okay. I just fucked that shit up. I done fucked this shit up. Oh well, let's get to the lighter orange. Okay, that is cute for real. Now time for the under eye. So I'm gonna go with pink. I feel like I need a smaller brush, but this one gonna have to do. Cause it already got the pigment on it. Okay, so now it's time for the glitter, and I will be using my glitter from my site. You can shop at NaudiaMariah.com if you want this look that you're about to see. Okie dokie. Right, and for the glitter, I'm using this NYX Brilliant eyeshadow glitter primer or whatever. Yeah, you know. Wow, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at me doing a look, finally doing a look that I enjoy looking at. I would like for the edges to be kind of, you know, dispersed, like a little fading effect. Probably should have put the glitter on with a different brush. Oh well, the deed is done now. Shoot. Okay, y'all, that's cute. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I will get back to you. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I finished I put the eyelashes on, you know, got dressed, I guess. So yeah, here's the finished look. I think it looked real cute. During the process, I was thinking like, shit, I don't know, this might not be, it's looking a little, but once I put the glitter on it, you know, it came together. So yeah, to be honest, I feel like you can put glitter on any look and it will come together. I mean, 'cause to be honest, I done did so many looks where I was like, this shit is ugly as fuck. But, you know, I slapped some glitter on there to make it a little sparkly. And, yeah, it get the job done. It get the job done. But, like I said before, if you want to shop this glitter, you can get it on my site, NaudiaMariah.com. And I also have some other colors on there that you can shop for, too. So, yeah. That's the end of this video.